welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to screen for high yield ETFs quickly in public premium. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to screen for high yield ETFs quickly on public, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your public premium. So once you open your public premium, you can use the filter feature for high yield ETFs, as you can use this word called high yield as a filter and get access to the ETFs that have really high yield. Now you can analyze potential candidates using available data like key metrics, performance, and news. For more in-depth analysis, you can leverage public premiums feature to access advanced data and market analysis, which helps you compare different funds based on yield, dividend growth trends, and stability of returns. So this is how you can simply screen for high yield ETFs quickly in public premium. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.